So friends, the VS Code is here, and I will go to the documents, inside documents on the terminal. uh, I am inside the documents on the VS Code terminal. Now I will create the console application through C Sharp in .NET framework. So I have to first create an application through one command. The command is basically .NET new console hyphen o, and the name of the application, that is test C sharp. So it is created. Now let's open this on the VS Code. This is inside documents, and the name is test C sharp. So it is opened, and let's wait. So this is the files inside this. So we have to write the code inside the program.cs, and so let's write some code inside this, and then we will run this. So the code is this. So this is the code now, and so let's run this. So again we go to the terminal, and we will type .NET run. So you can see this is the print hello world according the code. So this way you can create the console application on your Mac, and you can run in C# .NET